What's up guys, PG Miyagi. So here is the outdoor survival step-by-step guide to the practical bushcraft and survival. This is a must-read book if you're going to become a field guide ranger. I'm going to do a South Africa field guide and ranger course, and this book helped me a lot. If you're a fan of man versus wild, if you're just fan of bushcrafting, if you're a boy scout, you're a fan of survival SAS, then this book is for you. I mean, the good thing is cover a lot of things like essential equipment, finding your way, campcraft, finding food, first aid, surviving cold, coastal survival, desert survival, jungle survival, mountain survival. I mean, Bear Grill again. I mean, you hate him, you like him, but still he's the best. Okay, this book is written by Dave Pearce. Dave. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce his second name. I mean, the good thing is the book is colorful, beautiful. Are you ready for the adventure? I think definitely yes. I really enjoy. Okay, I mean, as well as keeping tinder dry, a heavy duty condom and protect an injury to a finger or toe. A condom will hold about 1.5 liter fluid. It can use as a small rubber for small. I never knew about that. I mean, the book is literally amazing because I don't wanna like rant long. I give 9 out of 10 because I mean it's beautiful, amazing. I wish the book was a little bit thick because there is more to cover. The book is not like that thin, but I wish that because I enjoy this book a lot. I mean, machete, knife, leatherman, multi-tool. I mean, the book is literally very much amazing, to be honest with you. I mean, yeah, this is a must buy. Again, finding knot, my clock. I think so. This book is really very helpful. I mean, when you are lost or you are just wanna survive in the jungle, in the bush. I mean, the book is beautifully amazing. That's all I can say because they are building a sea raft. Okay, making fire. I mean, I really like this book, to be honest with you. I'm finding food. Just trying to skip few pages because I was just want to show how good is the book. Yeah, overall the book is really very much enjoying. So he's like skinning the rabbit. Wow, he got a crocodile. He's a lucky guy. He's gonna have some crocodile meat. I mean, I really enjoyed this book. I think this everyone should have on their bookshelf. Everyone must should read this book one time. I mean, this book is colorful that even younger age kids are interested. I mean, I really like this book, to be honest with you. I think this is a must buy, must buy. 9 out of 10 solid. Overall, this book is amazing. I really enjoy this book. The link will be of the book will be in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي